This homemade salt trick will get you rock solid in just 15 seconds and give you the best bedroom performance of your life with your wife. Now pay close attention. Head to the kitchen and grab a pinch of salt. Yes, salt. Try this quick 15-second hack uncovered by a Harvard scientist that boosts blood flow by an astonishing 3.1142% in over 100,000 men. Forget pills and pumps that only lead to embarrassment. This salt trick is natural, effortless, discreet, and helps men stay ready whenever they need to rise to the occasion. All you need to do is use this 15-second technique while showering and watch the magic unfold. Let me share a secret. Movie stars have been using this hack for years. That's why they're always prepared for 2, 3, or even 4 rounds without breaking a sweat. And now so can you. Whether you're 25 or over 55, that legendary morning boost will become inevitable. Once I learned how it works, I mastered the right way to do it at home, and now I can show you too. I've put together a free video that's still available online, but not for much longer. If you're ready, click the link below and watch it now. Tomorrow, you'll thank yourself for making this decision.
Did you notice the difference?
Absolutely, yes.
Good difference?
Yeah, it's bigger. It's definitely bigger.
Yeah?
It is.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is insane.
What would you say is the biggest difference that you noticed?
It's girthier.
Girthier?
It's got girth.
And when I told you that I was going to do it, what did you say?
I was skeptical. I was like, oh, come on.
You also said I didn't need it.
I also said you didn't need it, but
Now that I did it,
yeah, it's definitely, I can definitely, absolutely tell a difference.
good?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yes, good.
Good. So, any guy out there that's like insecure about his size or just wants to be like bigger, would you recommend?
I would, absolutely, yes. I mean, you've used it, you've lived it, you went through the process, and
Yeah.
you know it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want me to keep using it?
I think we're good where we're at. We don't
What?
need anything else.
No, no bigger?
Yes.
I'll go in another 30 days.
Okay.